Well, it's winter and this house is 100 years old. There's blankets hung over the door. Ain't much that I can do but lay here with you and whisper in the dark to our unborn child. Well, there's pictures of my mother, her mother and her mother. They're up on the wall in the den. When I think of what they seen, how this world feels so mean, when you're about to bring a baby in. Holy winter, blessed cold. It makes everybody feel alive when it's just trying to survive. Lord, it's hard on the sick and the old. It's colder than it's been here in 40-some years. Lives in the house, they all froze. And the stray cats in the crawl space are serious and still, like soldiers in the trenches just before the whistle blows. Holy winter, blessed cold. It makes everybody feel alive. It's just trying to survive. Oh, it's hard on the sick and the old. Just as long as he can see. In the summertime lasts longer than I like. The days get short and the guitars all come out, and the old songs of my people hang like ghosts in the night.